Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group on your PC and want to give another admin the power to ban users, this guide will walk you through the new update steps, making your group management smoother and more secure. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, navigate to your group by clicking on it in the chat list. Once you're inside the group chat, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Manage Group. A new window will pop up, giving you access to all the group's management settings. Inside the management window, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all current admins in your group. Browse through the list and click on the admin whose permissions you want to edit. Now, you'll see a set of toggles for various admin rights. Look for the Ban Users option. To allow this admin to ban users from your group, simply enable this toggle. This grants them the authority to remove and ban disruptive members whenever necessary. After enabling the ban user's permission, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This step ensures your changes are applied, and the selected admin now has the updated rights. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily empower your trusted admins to help keep your Telegram group safe and well managed. Remember, you can always return to these settings to adjust permissions as your group grows or your needs change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram community with confidence.